Dear learners and viewers, take my cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope each of my students is fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Allah. We have already spent 6 months without doing something, without learning something. The first and foremost duty of a student is study. But I am quite sure most of you are neglectful of your studies. I think all of your time should be devoted to studies. By the way, I'm here today with the topic of sentence connectors. At the beginning, we have to know what are sentence connectors. Connectors are phrases or words. They are used to link ideas from one sentence to the next or to give paragraphs coherence. Sometimes sentence connectors perform different functions in a sentence. So let's see some connectors on the whiteboard. That's all. So dear learners, there are many sentence connectors I have written. These are connectors of addition and as well as again, also to, besides, that. These are connectors of result, hence, so, thus, therefore, at last, as a result. And I can add another accordingly. And these are connectors of example. For example, for instance, such as in particular. Here, connectors of contrast. Whereas, in spite of, despite, though, although, yet, but, while, instead, either, neither, otherwise, on the contrary, and all these are sentence connectors. Okay, we have to put in the fill in blanks according to the meaning of the sentence. Okay, dear learners, I can write more connectors on the whiteboard. Connectors of sequence. Connectors of sequence. Firstly, secondly, finally, eventually, meanwhile, after that, and these are connectors of sequence. And there are many more connectors in English grammar, but we have to know the meaning of the connectors and we have to put according to the meaning of the sentences. So dear learners, now I will write. Now I will write a short passage. Okay. Okay, dear learners, this is the passage, and now we will complete it using suitable connectors. So let's start. Student life is the best time in life when almost every student is free from cares and anxieties of life. He has nothing to do but study. A student, as a student, he should read novels, magazines, newspapers, besides textbooks. Okay, that means you have to put connectors according to the meaning of the passage. Okay, dear learners? Now I will show you some examples. Okay, dear learners, there are 6 examples for you, and we will put appropriate connectors in the gaps. So, in the first sentence, he went to bed, went to sleep, and went to sleep. He went to bed and went to sleep. In the next line, they are very tired, very happy. That means we have to put yet. They're very tired, yet very happy. It is either right or wrong. In the fourth line, I went to the park, I went to the shop. Here we have to put then. I went to the park, then I went to the shop. In the fifth line, the man is poor but honest. The man is poor but honest. I bought a dog. I wanted a pet. I bought a dog because I wanted a pet. So, dear learners, I hope all of you have understood all the 6 examples which I have written on the whiteboard. In fine, I want to say you that it is very essential to understand how sentence connectors can be used to combine ideas in writing. By doing again and over again, you will be able to fill in the blanks in the examination, inshallah. So, dear learners, by following the instructions of WHO, you will keep safe, and I wish we will see very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.